Dear students, we are again back with the online teaching learning process. As the world is grappled with the COVID-19 infection rates, we have worldwide around 1.2 billion children in 186 countries affected by school closures due to this pandemic. This is a challenging time. Maintaining focus is difficult given the distractions that COVID-19 has created. But keep in mind that over the time, life typically gets more complicated. We have to be ready to face the challenges, and we have to work out different ways and means to continue this teaching and learning process. In this process, I have decided to make short videos for you. I know many of you have not attended my previous classes. So those who have difficulty in understanding the basic concept of programming, for them this video is a quick recap. This chapter basically is all about the Python programming language. As you have already studied in class 11th, that Python is a language which is used for data analysis. In class 12th, we have first 4 chapters dedicated with the Python libraries. First chapter basically deals with the introduction part of Python, its data structures, and pandas library. So, in these 4 unit of the first part, we'll be learning the data handling process. Data handling requires data analysis, data structure. In Python, we have 2 prominent libraries. One is pandas and the other one is pyplot. In the first unit, we'll be learning the pandas libraries. Pandas library basically deals with the data structures. There are 2 prominent data structures. One is series and there is data frame. First of all, the question arises, what is a data structure? Dear students, data structure is nothing but to organize the huge data, the big data, in a structured form. The data structure could be single dimensional or double dimensional. So 2 prominent data structures that we'll be studying in this part is series and data frame. I have already discussed in the class that series is a single dimensional array and the data frame is a double dimensional array. So while dealing with the series and data frame, we have to first understand what is the difference between a data frame and a series. Both are used for data analysis. Both are used for data structure, arranging the data in a tabular form or in a scalar form. So what are the basic difference between the series and a data frame? A quick recap. First of all, the series is a single dimensional, whereas the data frame is double dimensional. What kind of data are being used in the series? Series are homogeneous in nature. It contains a similar type of data item, whereas the data frame is heterogeneous. It can have elements of different data types. What do you mean by a different data type? Maybe an integer, maybe string, maybe tuple, maybe dictionaries, or many other data types that is applicable in Python programming language. The most important and prominent difference between a series and data frame is that the mutability of the series and data frame. Series are mutable. The values of the series, or you can say the elements of series, can be mutable, whereas the elements of data frame can also be changed. They are also mutable. But the size of the series is immutable. Means if you once decide the size of the series, it cannot be changed. Whereas the size of the data frame can be changed. It is mutable. So these are the basic three types of differences between the series and a data frame. So again, what are the three differences? Let's recap. First one is the series is single dimensional, whereas the data frame is double dimensional. The series is homogeneous in nature. What do you mean by homogeneous? Means the values, the data types of the series elements are same. Similar data types are there. If you have decided a series of a numeric type, so all the element values in the series will be a numeric. Whereas if you have selected a string series, then all the elements of the series must be the string values. Difference between a series and a data frame. In the next class, we'll be understanding the concept of Jupyter ID, that is Integrated Development Environment, an interface where we can go and start doing our coding and generating the outputs. Till then, thank you and have a nice day. God bless you.